Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So to start, I'm gonna use a file to just file the surface of my nail. I'll be filing the sides and the tip too. Then using this spatula, I'm just gonna push my cuticles back. I'll just come in with a cleanser and wipe the dust away. Now I have a dual foam here, and this is perfect for my thumb. I'll just get my slip solution ready too. This is the Modelones base coat, and this is what I'm gonna use as my base coat. This will help the nails stick longer, and it's gonna prevent, lifting. I'll just cure it for 60 seconds. Here I'm using the Modelones Nude Polygel, and this is the color. As you can see, it looks very neutral and natural. So I'll take a little bit with the spatula and put it in my dual former. Using my brush and with the help of a slip liquid, I'm just gonna, form the nail. I'll shape it to the length I want. So I'm done, and I'm just gonna put it on my nail. I'll make sure I press it very well to make it look very natural. And I'll then clean any excess polygel. I'll turn it over and shape it up a little bit. I'll cure it for about 60 seconds. So this is my favorite part, and I'm just gonna take off the dual foam. And as you can see, it looks so shiny, you don't even need a top coat. So I'm just gonna come in with a file and file the tips and the sides a little bit. Now I want to do some French tips, so I will use these guys to guide me. I will come in with a white nail polish and just, paint the upper part. I'll just strip the guide off after I'm done. Finally, I will come in with the Modelones top coat. And here we are. As you can see, this was so easy and fast to make, and they are not too long. I love natural looking nails. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Until next time, I'm gonna see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.